How would you like to generate 10, 20, even 30 new high-premium life insurance cases every single month on demand and with predictability? Not having to worry about competing on price, and even on the internet? I call this our Formula 100 Premium Systems, or F100 for short. Because it's as exact as a formula in math, science, and chemistry. Where you just tell us how many appointments you can handle. How many appointments your team can handle. And best of how many future appointments your freedom goal would be. Then we run the numbers, and show you how profitable you would be, your team would be, and how to get your future freedom goal achieved. Even though this seems simple and obvious, I've learned firsthand that only about 1% know their numbers and hit these goals. The truth is almost every single life insurance agent starts like this. Excited in training, onboarding, and getting producer's number while you study your sales pitch, cold calls, dial days. Then you go and buy other people's leads, and when those leads didn't work, what does the magic words all uplines tell you? That's right. Buy more of those non-working leads. Dial that number at least 3 to 5 times. Call them at least 3 to 5 times a day. 100 leads is 300 to 500 times dialing. Then dial that again 3 to 5 more times. And yes, it looks like you're spending 3 to 4 days just dialing and maybe 1 to 2 days running appointments. Right now, I know that either you or someone you know has that exact routine. Right? The solution is so obvious: find a phone dialer and appointment setter. Oh, and while we're at it, also find me better leads. Would that even really solve your problem? No more dialing. No more setting your own appointments instead of helping families. Leads that are chasing you down to book your last free meeting and hoping they get their appointment with you. If that is your problem, and if that is your solution, then our Formula 100 Premium Systems is exactly what you have been needing. We have a dedicated team build social media lead generation ads with a qualify or disqualified form that, when approved as the right clients, get set a scheduling link to you or your team's calendars. And with our AI smart conversation campaigns, our AI begins to learn how you communicate on your website, Facebook, text, and emails. Then AI begins writing for your company effortlessly. Inbound campaigns are getting 50% replies, 50% to scheduling, and 80% show up rate company-wide. Outbound campaigns are picking up another 5% of business, and great for when you launch a new service or product in the future. With our company helping over 14,000 users. And our ad spend team spending over $1.5 million a month, which has earned over $300 million in revenue. Why would you try and do all that yourself? Did you know? 85% of new agents are out of business in their first year. 95% don't make it to 5 years. 5% that have made it past 5 years still see their sales flatline. With our F100, we step-by-step build, fill your calendar with all the appointments you want to handle. We increase the quality of premium amounts so you earn more and less appointments. We scale you and your team. Then scale your entire team's calendars as well so you can retire earlier and get your freedom goals. It really does come down to mastering just 2 variables in this formula. What do you think the 2 variables are? It's a very simple equation. First, we bring you and your team high-quality leads ready to buy insurance. Second, we turn those appointments into life insurance clients at a higher and repeatable premium amount. Again, it can be reduced down to 2 factors. Generating qualified appointments. Converting appointments into clients. Okay, now let's do some really deep, honest truths with ourselves. In the last weeks, how many actual appointments did you run? And how much did those appointments generate? And here is the biggest truth: until you control your leads, you'll never get to freedom. Remember that time you and your team said, "If only I had better leads"? That's because with the right leads, everything else falls into place. And that's the greatest part: you're getting an expert to design your leads campaign. In month 1, we begin budget optimization to get the lowest cost per lead. In month 2, we optimize your audience based on your feedback from the appointments. In month 3, we're scaling winners and consolidating winning audiences and ads for maximum team results. This is exactly what you will need to have the winning formula. Knowing exactly how much it costs for a new appointment. Then how many appointments you will need to acquire a new client. We take out all the guesswork, with a perfect formula that gets 100% results. That will show us exactly how to scale you to the exact amount of new earnings. The result for you is that we got you the exact hours that you wanted to work. Work from anywhere in the world with internet. And earn the exact amount of money that gets your freedom goals. Take a journey in your imagination now. You wake up, check your calendar, and it's filled with high-intent appointments. All you have to do is help the families that already wanted the help and booked you. Anywhere in the world, especially on vacation, yacht at sea, or flying in your jet. Does that sound better than 1,000, 2,000 calls each day most of the week? This program is not for everyone. In fact, it's not even for most people. But for those agents who already spend $1,000 or more each week buying their own leads and calling, and would like us to just put leads into their CRM already booked, then that is our right licensed life insurance agency for us to work with. It would be great if you already are in the habit of earning more than $2,000 a week in premiums. If that sounds like you and you're serious about starting today, we can see if you qualify to join our system. We begin getting your brand new leads. We begin dialing and setting your appointments with AI. We get appointments scheduled in your calendar. And all you have to do is check your calendar, help families in need. If we determine that your premiums are too low, your budget is too low, or if you're just not wanting enough appointments, we will be happy at the end of the demo to decline your application and explain why it's not a great financial investment for you. We have a very great policy: only take clients we are confident the formula will work for. Either is profitable and we approve, or we see that it's not profitable and we decline your application. Not to worry, we're very sweet and nice when we say no. And best of all, if your sales career needs a boost because the premium amount is too low, then we'll offer you $1,800 on every sale, never any chargebacks. And lastly, we have great Facebook group that's growing, with amazing network opportunities and free promotional bonuses from time to time. If you're still here watching this, then scroll down below and click the Apply Now to see if you qualify button. Even if you don't apply, the next agent will get our lead system and booked appointments. While you are still buying and dialing, reserve your spot now, because this is a race and early birds do have a head start. The meeting is 30 minutes and you will see how profitable it is before the end of the demo. We're already booked weeks out, 100 plus appointments into the future. Expecting over 100 new agents this month. If you plan on being one of them, apply now to see if we can get you the right amount of sales and appointments. Apply now.